Hello guys, how's it going? Today we are going to look at the write index Python method. So the write index method finds the last occurrence of the specified substring. If no value is found, it raises an exception. So this is how the syntax looks like. As we can see, we have three parameters. The first one is required and it specifies the value that we search for. Now the two other parameters are start and end, and they specify the search area. By default, these values are 0 and -1 or end of the string in that order. Now the method will return the highest index in string where substring sub is found, such that the substring is within the string and specified by the search area. Now the optional arguments start and end are interpreted as in slice notation. And if no substring is found, it raises an value error. So let's look at some examples. Now in the first example, we're just looking for a substring in the string. And we can see that the substring has been found and it returns an integer, which is the highest index um, of the string which was found, and it's the first character of the substring. So this J character is actually the 15th character in the string. And the second example, we are going to specify the search area, which is going to be from 0 or start of the string to the 10th character. So if you run this, we can see that within the search area, the word has not been found, and that's why the method has returned a value error, or raised in value error. Now, if we would change this to something like a -1 and run this, we can see that the method will return 8. Or similarly, if we keep the search area the same, but change this to, for example, write find, it will return a -1. But write find method is we're going to talk about this